về đi về tôi và tôi hát anh em cô mày kêu và tôi không
Done na?
Done.
Oh, so nice. Oh, wait na. So, what is your name? Tell to mommy. How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Wow. And what is your... Where do you live? Where do you live?
Tomato Jaya.
Wow. Who's your mommy?
There.
Where? What's her name?
There.
Where's the name?
I don't know. Lee Ga-young.
You don't know the name?
Lee Ga-young.
What's the name?
Lee Ga-young.
Who's Lee Ga-young? What's the name of your mommy? You don't know?
Dong Guo-yu.
Who's your papa?
Lý Thái Vũ.
Hi.
Lão sư. Teacher.
You forgot your papa's name?
Trần Bình Hồng.
Hey, you. Why you don't know? Why you don't know your papa's name? Huh? When is your birthday? How many more days?
Mommy Day.
Many days. What do you like on your birthday? Wait. What do you like on your birthday?
Like tí khoan nha. Tí khoan.
You don't touch. You don't touch. What do you like? You want cake? I buy you a
Why?
cake.
I want.
Why? And then I give this one to Nanay so Nanay can see.
Yeah.
So hi say to Nanay na. Hi, how are you, Nanay?
Yeah.
How are you, Nanay?
How are you, Nanay?
How are you?
How are you, Mahan?
And then Tita Erky naman.
How are you, Tita Erding?
You want to go to Philippines?
One.
Huh? Oh, when? Next year? Ah?
Yeah.
Yeah? What you will give to Mahan? You have lots of toys for Marshall? Huh? Lots of toys?
I don't want those. Mahan go I day for the one toy.
Mahan say he want to give you a car. But
Yeah.
because mommy, so many things. So mommy left the car. Yeah, Tita Erling give you the pencil. You see the pencil? Tita Erling give you that one. Say thank you to Tita Erling.
Thank you, Tita Erding.
You like the pencil?
Like.
Like, smile na to Tita Erling. Show your teeth. Say hi to Marshall. Marshall. Show when the time Marshall is angry. Show to the camera when Marshall is angry. Marshall angry. Marshall. Show to the camera. The one I show you. The one I show you when Marshall is angry. I show you what? when Mahan angry, so funny, you know. Show to Mahan when angry. You Mahan like this, you know. show your ear, the moving ear. Oh yeah. What ear is moving? This one ah. This one ah. Okay, show to Mahan. Oh, this one good though. It's moving the ear. Oh, this one ah. Okay na. Show to Nana. You can move it. I wanna move it. I wanna move it. Show to Nana.
Why you say I love to move?
Okay, sorry na.
Ben 10.
Okay na, you show to
Đồ
Nana.
lưu về tôi thì hát mi anh em có mà theo và
Show to Mahan your ear. They don't know that one, you know. That one very hard. Show to them. Ayo. Show to them how you drive the car. Show to them how you drive the car. Kayo. Eh. Ayo. Ayo. Ay. So ugly. Ayo, show your teeth naman. Ay, no. Your... Show your ear. Show your ear. So show your ear, the moving ear. Nanay, so nice naman. Nay, show the ear. Okay. One. Wow, it's moving. I wanna move it. I wanna move it. Hey, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Nanay birthday also, ah.
Yeah, mommy.
Nanay. Enough na! Ayo! Then they say you're like that. Hey, what do you want on your birthday? What do you want on your What do you want on your birthday? And then they say you're like that! Enough na. Oh, say hi to them. Say hi to Tita Edith. Tita Edith, how are you?
Hi, mommy.
Say hi to Tita Edith. What's like that? Enough na. Oh, say hi na. Hi, Tita Edith. Hi. You say na, hi. Hey, and then they will watch this one. Oh, say hi. He had big stomach. He just eat. Show your birthmark. Show your birthmark, like mommy. Show your birthmark. No, I don't want to see that one. So small. Why so small? Why so small? Enough na. Enough. And then they say you're like that. Ang tambatang to. Nako po. You can become an actor, you know. Zombie, ah. Oh, show to nanay like this. Say hi to nanay. Nanay, this is the zombie from Malaysia.
Nanay.
Nanay, this is JJ.
Nanay, this is JJ.
Nanay, this is JJ, the mumu from Malaysia. You like the mumu? Hey, enough na! Then the air come to you. Oh, we watch na.
Why okay hungry you?